Hi, in front of me is Blackview A80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Firstly, open Play Store, then type LED keyboard and download this app from this developer. Now open it, click Get Started, choose OK. Tap on the switcher next to LED keyboard and choose OK again. After that, select Input Options and tap LED keyboard one more time. Over here you can pick theme that you like the best. I will go with that one, so I have to tap on it and select Download theme. Now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!